I'm going to show you the difference between almond flour and all-purpose flour. First, the color. The almond is yellowish. All-purpose flour is too white. The second one is the texture. The almond flour is grainy. All-purpose flour is like talc powder. It's too fine. Here is the almond flour. As you can see, it's too grainy, too gritty. All-purpose flour is too fine. It's like talc powder. Almond flour is made from blanched almonds. All-purpose flour is made from refined flour, made from wheat grains, which is a combination of hard and soft wheat. Almond flour is gluten-free nut flour, while the all-purpose flour contains high level of gluten when combined with yeast. Almond flour has low carb contents but high in healthy fats and fibers, while the all-purpose flour, because it's made from the white starchy parts of wheat grain, there is a loss of lot of nutrients. Almond flour has about 4.3 grams to 5.6 grams of carbohydrates per ounce, while the all-purpose flour has 95.4 grams of carbs per ounce. So, the almond flour is good for diabetics, and it also reduces bad LDL cholesterol. The regular consumption of white flour can lead to fatty liver, and it will raise your cholesterol in your blood system. This may cause high blood pressure, weight gain, and mood swings. Almond flour is slightly sweeter in taste. The all-purpose flour, when you add yeast, the gluten stretches when you knead it, while the almond flour, it needs a binding agent like the psyllium or the xanthan gum, because without it, it will be too crumbly. And because almond flour is low in carb, it's keto-friendly. The all-purpose flour has high carbs, so it's not keto-friendly. Almond flour is good if you're trying to lose weight.